Hello, welcome to my channel Supercar Sunday. This is the DTR 125 project part 2. So I want to start this week by thanking all my recent subscribers. And to let you know, when I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll be donating £100 of my own money to the Macmillan Cancer Support Fund. So get liking, get subscribing and share my videos. So let's have a look at the progress of the bike this week. So now the bike's stripped down and I've got the fuel out of the tank. I'm going to start by sanding the tank down and doing some repairs, a bit of filler work, fill the dents and imperfections. And I'm going to start by cleaning up the frame. So while my blast cabinet's not in use at the moment, I'll be using various different abrasives to clean the frame up. One of the options is paint stripper, but it is quite messy. Also, there's lots of rust that needs to come off as well. So this is a grinder I'll be using. It's a Ryobi. So as you can see, it's a cordless grinder, and I've also got the drill as well. So I bought this grinding set with a bag. Just try and keep my various bits of bob in it. There's a charger there and some grinding discs, a spare battery. Mainly use that one on my Ryobi light and on the drill. I also have these batteries that are compatible with Ryobi, so you can get them on eBay. They're cheaper than the originals. So I have a couple of them. As you can see, they've got, so that one's fully charged. You can see on this one, it shows you there's only 2 bars on there, so I'm not sure how long that'll last. If you're interested in purchasing any of these power tools, I'll pin a link in the comments and I'll put a link in the description. So I found out quite quickly the paint's rather thick. So unfortunately what we're going to have to do is plan B, paint stripper. So I've just received a delivery I've been waiting for to clean up the rest of the frame. So I've got these here. Look at all them. So this box here was about £17. Absolute bargain. So I better use these to get into all these niggly bits. Link in the description for these in the comments, and I'll put a link in the description for the paint stripper if anyone's interested. And also, if anyone's interested in one of these grinders, because they're extremely handy, I use it all the time. So that's that. I'm going to do a bit more on the bike. So the frame's taking a bit of time to clean up with a wire wheel on its own. Anyway, I've come up with a bit of an idea. Watch this. Right, so I've got the frame, the swinging arm and the tank all dressed up and ready to be primed now. So all that's left to do now is hit them with some primer. So that's it, I've got all these bits in primer now. You can see that frame's looking a lot better. One thing I didn't show when I did this was I put some Cure Rust on. Just some extra rust treatment on the pitted areas before I prime these bits. So I'll show you that. So that's what I used there. I put some of that on the rusted areas on the frame, the pitted areas. So the tank I'll rub down and I'll give it another prime, because obviously you can see there's the edges there. There's a difference between the metal and the filler, so you'll get that always in the second coat anyway. So these are the tools and the products I use to strip the paint and the rust off the frame and the swinging arm and the tank. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these products or tools, I'll put the links separately in the description. So all the separate links will be there for each and every one of these products and tools. So that's it for this video. I'll be back shortly with another one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.